Hello viewers, I'm Akhil Francis, Assistant Professor cum Renal Dialysis Technologist in the Department of Renal Dialysis Technology, Yenepoya School of Allied Health Sciences, Yenepoya, deemed to be University. Today we are going to learn about Dialysate delivery system. Moving on to the specific learning objectives, by the end of the session, the viewer will be able to understand the components of the dialysate circuit in a hemodialysis machine, explain the role of each component in maintaining dialysate quality and patient safety. Coming to the introduction, dialysate is essential in hemodialysis as it helps remove toxins, correct acid-base imbalances and maintain proper electrolyte levels. The dialysate is composed of purified water, bicarbonate and acid concentrate. It is carefully formulated to resemble normal plasma composition. The dialysate circuit is a crucial component of the hemodialysis system, prepares, monitors and delivers this solution to the dialyzer and removes waste dialysate after exchange. It ensures effective fluid and solute exchange across the dialyzer membrane. Any malfunction in this circuit can compromise the patient safety and the adequacy of the dialysis treatment. Coming to the components of dialysate circuit, the major components of the dialysate circuit includes dialysate delivery system, proportionating system, mixing chamber, heating system, conductivity and temperature sensors, ultrafiltrates, flow monitors, drain and degassing systems. Dialysate delivery system. The dialysate delivery system draws water and concentrate to prepare dialysate. It consists of pumps, valves and controlled modules. The dialysate delivery system monitors mixing, flow, conductivity and temperature. It also delivers dialysate to the dialyzer and carries waste to the drain. Proportionating system. The proportionating system mixes acid and bicarbonate concentrate with purified water. The standard ratio for dialysate is 1 part of acid is to 1.72 parts of bicarbonate is to 34 parts of water. The proportionating system ensures consistent dialysate composition. Coming to the mixing chamber. The mixing chamber is where the concentrate and water are thoroughly mixed. It prevents layering or uneven dialysate. Mechanical agitation or turbulent flow ensures homogeneity. Some machines include degassing in this chamber. Dialysate heater. The dialysate heater warms dialysate to approximately 37 degrees Celsius to match the body temperature. It prevents patient discomfort, hypothermia or thermal injury. Heat is applied before the dialysate enters the dialyzer. Conductivity sensor. The conductivity sensor measures dialysate ionic concentration, typically 12 to 15 millisiemens per centimeter. It ensures dialysate composition is within the safe limit. Any out of range value triggers the alarms and halt the treatment. It can detect proportionating errors or concentrate depletion. Temperature sensor. The temperature sensor continuously monitors dialysate temperature. The normal range is 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius. It ensures patient safety and comfort. Overheating or cooling triggers alarms and automatic shutdown will happen. The dialysate pathway as follows. First, water and concentrates will be drawn and it will be mixed in the proportionating system. Then the mixture will be heated and monitored and then it will be sent to dialyzer inlet. After the filtration, it will exit via dialyzer outlet and it will be monitored again and at the end it will be drained from the system. The typical flow rates are 300 or 500 or 800 ml per minute. Bicarbonate and acid concentrate containers. There are separate storage for bicarbonate and acid concentrates. It prevents premature mixing and precipitation. The containers are labeled and color coded. The acid will be kept in red containers and bicarbonate will be kept in blue or white containers. The containers must be cleaned and refilled as per protocol. Mixing ratio and proportionating pump. It uses fixed ratio to ensure correct electrolyte and buffer delivery. Volumetric pumps or servo controlled valves adjust flow rates. Then sensors confirm the final dialysate conductivity. Any errors may indicate pump malfunction or concentrate issues. Now monitoring of dialysate flow. So the system detects flow rate to and from the dialyzer. The standard flow rate is 500 ml per minute. It ensures continuous delivery and waste removal. Flow interruption may suggest kink, airlock or pump failure in the system. Monitoring of conductivity. There are mainly two sensors, pre and post dialyzer. It prevents hypo or hyponatremia due to incorrect mixing. Most of the machines often include dual conductivity readings for safety. The auto shut-off will happen if the deviation is greater than 0.5 millisiemens per centimeter. The temperature control system. The temperature control system consists of an electric heater and a thermistor for real-time feedback. Overheat protection is present, usually approximately at 41 degrees Celsius. Sudden drop indicates heater or sensor failure. It is very essential for thermal comfort and membrane efficiency. pH monitoring and adjustment. The pH of dialysate must be between 6.8 to 7.6. Normally, bicarbonate raises the pH and acid concentrate lowers it. Some systems indirectly estimate pH from conductivity. Any imbalance in the pH may cause acidosis or alkalosis. Dialysate filter or ultra filter. The dialysate filter removes bacteria, endotoxins and particles greater than 0.2 micrometers. It is very important for producing ultra pure dialysate. Located before dialysate enters the dialyzer, and the system needs regular replacement, usually done weekly. Degassing system. This system removes dissolved air or gas from the water and dialysate. It also prevents air bubbles in the dialyzer which hinder exchange. The system uses a vacuum or pressure chamber and it enhances sensor accuracy and flow consistency. Dialysate drain system. The dialysate drain system collects spent dialysate from the dialyzer outlet. It may include drain pressure monitor. High pressure can indicate any blockages in the system. Some machines analyze waste dialysate for clearance monitoring. Coming to the summary of the session, each component of the dialysate circuit plays a vital role in ensuring safe and effective dialysis for the patient. Any malfunction of any part may lead to patient complications. Regular machine checks, calibration and preventive maintenance are essential for patient safety. These are my references. Thank you.